2 of the pull-up series. I'm going to show you 2 exercises for scapula stability. And this is probably one of the toughest videos or toughest progressions, because this is also going to start developing the conditioning of your hands. And a lot of people will always complain about this stage of learning how to do pull-ups because your hands will get sore, you are going to be developing calluses, you know, there's nothing else we can really do about it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 2 exercises. So the first one is, this is where we're going to start hanging off the bar. So I'm going to do it facing towards us and then facing away. So we're going to get pronated grip. So pronated, there's our palms down, our palms forward. We're going to come into what's known as a dead hang. So our feet are off the ground. I have the shoulders relaxed. Now, this is the hollow body position. So we covered hollow body in the push-ups and in core stability. So we're bracing the core. You can see when I squeeze the core, my feet come forward slightly. Now, all we're going to do is I'm going to pull the shoulders back and down. So shoulders are going back and down, trying to pull the shoulder blades together. I'm not bending the elbows, I'm not pulling up. I'm just pulling the shoulders back and down, trying to squeeze the shoulder blades together. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then staying in the hollow body, we come back into the dead hang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to show you that the other way. So from here, I'm just pulling the shoulders back and down. I'm trying to create that tension in the upper back. So start in the dead hang and squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dead hang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so when we have a pronated grip as well, we're looking for a thumbless grip. So the thumb stays on the same side as the fingers. We're not hooking the thumb around. Okay, second exercise is what's known as scapula push-ups. So we're going to get into the push-up position, same as you would a standard push-up, which we covered in the push-up series. Now from here, my arms stay locked, but I'm just dropping the chest down and I'm squeezing the shoulder blades together. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I push away, trying to reach out in front. I'm not lifting the hips up. I'm squeezing the core still, stretching out far. And what I'm doing is, you know, you'll see as I pull back, when my shoulder blade will stick out, or your shoulder blade will stick out. And when you push forward as far as possible, it's nice and smooth on the back. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We're pushing forward, and then we're pulling back. So we squeeze for 5, then push, stretching forward for 5. But we maintain your plank position or your hollow body position all the way through. And when you're practicing this, you know, so you can do 5 seconds on, or 5 seconds active hang, 5 seconds dead hang, maybe 5 times. Then come into the push-up. 5 seconds in the bottom, 5 seconds in the top, 5 times, and then go through maybe about 3 rounds of that. If you're only starting to do this, you will notice within a day or 2 the upper back will be very tight, and you'll also start feeling it on the hands. If your hands start getting too hot on the bars, you know, just be careful. Ideally use some chalk, but don't use too much chalk, because too much grip as well can be a bit of a hindrance for tearing your skin.